Assalamu alaikum dosto and welcome back to another video. Many actions and activities can be seen in this picture. Any word that shows an action or an activity is a verb. Today we will be learning about verbs. Verbs are also called doing words. Verbs are the main parts of sentences. Without it, sentences will not make sense and will remain incomplete. इसलिए हर सेंटेंस में कम से कम एक वर्ब होना जरूरी है. Every sentence must contain a verb. Recall all the activities you have done today and think of all the verbs. You may have read, walked, written, eaten, or played. All these words are verbs because they describe actions. You can find the verb in a sentence by figuring out what the person or thing did. That is the action. Let's look at some examples of sentences that have verbs. Omer ran to the park. The verb over here is ran because running is an action. Aisha kicked the football. The verb over here is kicked because kicking is an action. Abdullah sings and dances very well. Singing and dancing are actions and therefore sings and dances are verbs. There are two verbs in this sentence. Pause the video and try to understand how verbs are used in sentences. इन अल्फाजों में आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कौन से अल्फाज verb है? Take a moment to spot the verbs. Jump, build, and laugh are verbs because they refer to actions. Pakistan, cat, and ship do not refer to any physical actions and so are not verbs. Verbs allow us to understand and communicate with one another. Khuda Hafiz dosto and see you in the next video.